Swarfega's range of degreasing and maintenance products is an all-encompassing collection designed for use in the professional workshop. Putting three of the most popular products in the range to the test, Swarfega's Jizer, Stop Quick and Duck Oil, is David Earnshaw of Wood Lane Garage in Derbyshire.
Brake cleaner, used it a few times for brake discs, basically for rear brake drum servicing and things like that. It just neutralises the brake dust, and then you just puts it into a container and then we'll dispose of it. Yeah, and the duck oil, yeah, I mean that's well renowned anyway, so it's a good product, and you use it sparingly because it works so well.
Duck oil is a light degreaser which displaces water, prevents corrosion, penetrates releases and is an electrical insulator.
We've used a Jizer before. We keep it in a larger container in the shed around the back, so we use that quite a bit. It's very good stuff. And if you've got like a throttle body that's carboned up or things like that, just to basically clean products up, put them in a little bath, clean them up and then dry them off and use them again.
Jizer's effective dissolving action removes heavy deposits, and its concentrated strength and high absorption rate means just a small amount gets the job done.
Spray it, yeah, you get a little brush or sort of rag and then let it soak and then clean it off, and it's pretty good, yeah. Doesn't take much cleaning, that's for sure. It's good.
Concluding his review, David has awarded the three products that he's tested a full 5-star rating, thanks to their effectiveness and quality spray cans.
It doesn't block and it doesn't leak. Some of the products we have used in the past, you tip it, it comes out the top, it blocks the nozzles up. Yeah, so never had a problem with it, any three. Yeah, all work well and don't block up, don't leak when you tip the cans over, so if you're trying to get some in different positions, fine.
For David, Swarfega's heritage makes it a brand of choice in his workshop, and he's long recommended the brand to other garage owners.
I think everyone's heard of Swarfega in the product. If they haven't, they're missing out because it's a good stuff, and it's been around for a long time. Yeah, we use the barrier cream, we use the hand cleaner with the grit in it, and the after products as well.
For further information about Swarfega and its range of products, go to www.swarfega.com.